Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here, and happy vlogmas day 3. I didn't vlog today because I didn't have like anything going on today except for sitting on my bed and just chillaxing because I was super tired when I woke up this morning. But I'm still filming a vlogmas video for you guys, and since it's not a vlog, I was thinking like what could I do if I'm not gonna vlog? Let me tell you, this video is going to be my winter outfit ideas. These are outfits that I would wear during the winter. I have worn some of these during the winter because they are comfortable and cute for the winter season. I'm letting you guys know right now, only 2 of the outfits have a pant option. And that is because I do not like pants. I do not like wearing pants. I only like wearing shorts and skirts, really. Pants are no-go for me, usually. But I was like, it's winter, might as well include some pants in the outfits because it is cold. But most of the outfits are skirts with leg warmers because that is how I roll. That's how I roll. Without further ado, let's get right on in to the video. Okay, this first outfit is the only outfit in this whole video that doesn't really fit my clothing aesthetic, so that's what I'm doing first. I do wear this every winter since I got this clothing item because there's like the main clothing item and then how I style it. The main piece of this outfit is my Ron Weasley sweater that my sister got me one year for Christmas. Love this Ron Weasley sweater so much. If you guys know, I love Harry Potter. I feel like I say that a lot on here, but it's true. I love Harry Potter so much, and Ron, my bae. So is Cedric Diggory, but Cedric doesn't have a sweater. Ron does though, and my sister got it for me, and I love it so much, and I wear it like all the time. Since I got this as a Christmas gift, I don't know where this is from. For the bottoms is just a plain black skirt. You can get a plain black skirt from literally anywhere, or if you want a pant option, which this is one of the only outfits that has a pant option, you can just wear some basic black pants. Also, ignore all the cat hair on here and fuzz, but you can wear some black pants or maybe brown pants. That might look good with it too. But if you're more of a pant person, you can wear some black pants. I got these from my local Fred Meyer, but I'm pretty sure you can find black pants almost anywhere, kind of like skirts. And then to accessorize it, if you're wearing a skirt, you can add some black leg warmers. You can get these pretty much anywhere. And then for hair accessory, a little beret. I think I got this off of Amazon. I could be wrong though, but I bet you could find a beret like this on Amazon. Outfit number 2 is more of a casual outfit that you can wear to bed, or if it's just a cold day and you don't want to dress up much, you could wear this out. So the first item is this pink sweater that I wore in Vlogmas Day 1 actually. This pink little like crew neck sweater, which I just got from Walmart. Super cute, super soft. I love this. And then how I would style it is I'd style it with these pink and gray pajama pants that I also got from Walmart. They are so soft, super comfortable, and it's just one of those outfits that you can wear around the house, or if you're cold and don't want to dress up, like I said, you can wear it outside and look comfortable but still cute. I am probably going to be wearing this a lot this winter just because it's going to keep me warm. Even though I don't like pants, these are so soft and the overall outfit is super duper cute. This next outfit number 3, is my personal favorite out of all these outfits. I think I've worn it twice already. It is so cute. I love it so much. I've worn this in other vlogs, some TikToks of mine. This is the main part of the outfit. This very cute sweater that I actually thrifted, but it says it's from Divided H&M. It's so soft. It's so comfortable. I love it so much. But if you can't find it at H&M, I bet you could find something similar like this on Amazon or on some other clothing sites. And how I'd style it is just with a plain white skirt. I think I got this, yeah, I got this off of Shein a while ago. But I bet you could find one on Amazon or at Walmart or at Target. You can find a white skirt pretty much anywhere. And then for accessories, I have a few options. I could wear it with some fuzzy leg warmers like this. These are not, well, they're like leg warmers, but they're not like the normal leg warmers. These are more of like fake fur. They're super cute. I wore these to the NCT Dream concert earlier this year. I also got these off of Shein, but you can find them probably like AliExpress, Amazon, and other places as well. If you want a more casual look, you could just do plain leg warmers. Now these ones are cream color. I think they're supposed to be white. They are cream color, and these ones have little bows, and I prefer these ones with the bows because it just adds like a little touch to it. And I think I got these off of Shein as well, but again, you could probably find them anywhere else and then just add the bow yourself. For hair accessory, I really like to put these cute bows in my hair right here. I think they just add like the perfect little touch to the outfit. It's like you're wearing a pink sweater and you got like everything else, but then like for hair, just have some cute little bows dangling. It is so cute. And I got these, I think off of Shein as well, but again, probably find them anywhere else, or you could honestly just make them some yourself. Another accessory for this outfit I would recommend are earmuffs. I have these, my Melody ones that are so cute. She has a little bunny hat on. They're so cute. They definitely keep my ears warm, and I haven't worn these out yet because, whoa, it hasn't been cold enough to wear these out. Outfit number 4 is a really cute one. I wore this outfit the other day. The top is this sweater that says strawberry milk on it. The sleeves have these little hearts on it, and it's just like this cream color with some pink, and it's cropped. Super cute. To style it, I'd wear this skirt on the bottom and these bows on the front of it. I got both of these items from Shein a while ago. For accessories, I have 2 leg warmer options. I have these just like plain cream color leg warmers, or these like knitted looking ones with little pom-pom balls. Next outfit could actually be a summer or winter outfit because I did wear it in the summer. And honestly, it was a little too warm for the summertime, but it works. It is this pink, like, sweater type material shirt that I thrifted. But it says it's from this brand. I've never heard of it before. And I style it with this, like, plaid type skirt. It's almost the same pink color as the shirt. And then I just put a little pearl headband on with this outfit. I think it's super cute. Add something up top because it's mostly just the outfit. This outfit is an outfit I wore winter of last year actually, so I know for a fact this outfit works for wintertime. I got both of these items I have here at Ross. I will tell you the brands of them. So this first clothing item is this, like, I don't really know the name of it, like the style of clothing it is, but it's super cute. Originally Tommy Hilfiger, if I'm saying that right. And for the bottoms, I just wear these cream color plaid, basically pleated, I think, skirt. This is the original brand of the skirt, but like I said, I just got this at Ross. I would just style it with some plain cream color leg warmers, and if you want a cute hair accessory, you could wear this lover boy beanie. It's just a cute little beanie, and this is perfect for winter because it's a beanie. This next outfit is actually, I think, my second favorite I haven't worn it out yet because I haven't had a chance to wear it out yet. It is super cute. First, it's just a plain white long sleeve shirt. I think I got this with a dress from Fred Meyer. And then to put over it is this fluffy vest that I got from Hot Topic. But the brand is Sweet Society. Oh no, I did get this at Hot Topic though. It's super soft. It's cozy for the winter time. To style the rest of the outfit, I would again have a white skirt. And for the hair accessory, I would use this My Melody beret that I also got from Hot Topic, but this brand is just Sanrio, but I did get this from Hot Topic. These colors just go well together. We have 2 more outfits left, guys, but this next outfit is an outfit I've never worn out in public. I've worn it here in the comfort of my own room. It's a matching set. These are the bottoms. It's like a pencil skirt, kind of. I don't style this with this skirt. I style it with like a white skirt or a black skirt. Black might look a little off with it because there's no black on the top, but this is the skirt that does come with the top. This is the top. It's super soft, just like the skirt, same material, same everything. It's got these cute pearl buttons on it. I saw that Hyunjin actually had something similar to this and I was like, whoa, twins. I would just style it with that pearl headband. That's what I've done before. And I got this outfit from Ross. I'll show you the original brand. This is the original brand. This final outfit is one that I know for sure works for wintertime because I wore this in the winter of last year. I got this outfit idea for this video while I've been filming this, so I just pulled it out real quick. This is actually one of the ones that doesn't really fit my aesthetic. So the main piece of this outfit is this Death Note sweater that I got two years ago, I believe, in 2021. I think I got this when I was going through my anime phase, and like I still love anime. I love it so much, and Death Note is forever my favorite anime. I got this for myself as a birthday present because I literally ordered it on, or actually I think the day after my birthday, online. And I don't know the brand. I bet if you look up Misa Amane sweater on Google, you could find it. And I just styled this with a plain black skirt, some black leg warmers, and these cute earmuffs that I actually got at the dollar store. But you could probably just style it with white earmuffs, but these are polar bear. And I think they look so cute with it. That ends Vlogmas day 3, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 4. Bye!